go over there, man.
Take that home, I do. Take it home,
Look at your face like that.
Let me tell you something, boy.
Man, I wish I was a sketch artist. Literally,
I can draw.
I'm saying, I'll deal with you, but like I told my mom, I'll deal with you. I'm serious. I'm serious. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. I don't believe it.
your mother probably praying.
Y'all don't realize what y'all done. Now,
You don't realize what you did.
Oh, God.
that part gonna be dark. Now, the other part of the floor is dark, right? But when y'all see this here, y'all be like, what's going
She's
on?
not mopping it tonight. So we're going to do it Monday when we come.
Was it mama you got in this morning?
No, it wasn't.
It wasn't really clean. Like
Hold on, that's why you go lie. People had you as a witness down there. First thing you saw me, Dave, you popped it off last night. First thing you saw me. Now when you get with your friend,
No, I said you.
Lord listening to
I
you
said
right
you didn't
now.
clean it, but you didn't.
I want to apologize.
But I'm going to be honest with you. When you clean, she'll know right off. See, Dave, she got you. When she come in, the first thing she said, her mouth in the morning, she look around, she go, you know, Dave.
That's what her problem.
No.
I know you right on that. Know why?
Oh, he gonna change it. He gonna change it. He gonna change it now. He gonna change it.
But that's what she real though. She don't be real on the back. Park got y'all thinking she real.
Okay, I'm shutting
Park
it down.
not real.
I ain't real.
I'm shutting it down, Dave.
You know what though? I ain't got no problems with it. Go ahead. If you think you can outdo me in anything,
Okay,
it's
I'm
all
done. I'm
good.
close this shop.
It's all good. I'm gonna tell you straight off the top.
What's our address here?
Don't worry about nothing. Don't worry about nothing.
Cinema 3033 or so.
Yeah. At least I got one down. You know what I'm saying? That's all right.
So he don't sleep in this side because he knows it's done.
It don't matter, see.
Okay, paper. I need you to take. Let me get this paper up so you can sweep over here under here right on this.
Because if you know if you don't, I'm gonna tell you right now. Y'all think y'all outdone me. You can't never that. Never that. I don't let people outdo me. Nobody. You either, big man. I'm gonna let you know. All right. I don't take no credit when we compete, brother. You know what I'm saying? Anytime you want to bring it, bring it.